We are doing CBSE ratios past paper questions. We are starting with 2024 paper. The questions that came in set 1. Are you with
Yes.
me? Come on.
Yes. Yes.
I'm reading the question. This came in 2024 set 1. Quick ratio of the company is 1/2. If they tell you something like this, in this case, what will you do?
No more.
If they tell you something like this, that the quick ratio of a company is 1/2, in this scenario, what will you do?
We know the quick ratio is 1:2.
1:2,
What?
and we want to know that which transaction has resulted into an increase of the quick ratio or the decrease of the quick
Yeah.
ratio.
Yeah. Okay.
Correct? So
Right.
in
Yeah.
this scenario, what you do, quick ratio is 1/2. So I can say my numerator is 1000 and denominator is 2000. So when
2000.
I cut it, I can just cut it like that and it is 1/2.
Yeah.
Which of the following will result in increase of the ratio? Cash received from debtors. That means cash will increase
Yes.
and trade receivables will decrease.
Decrease.
And both the things happen in the numerator in the current asset section only. One current asset
Yes.
will increase, one current asset will reduce.
Yes.
So, because of this, there will be no change.
No change.
They want to know what would result in increase in the ratio.
Increase the ratio. Yeah.
Sold goods on credit.
Yes. Sold goods on credit.
What will happen?
And the goods have been sold. It means it's being increased.
Goods are being sold. What is
Cash.
increased?
Cash.
Cash will increase with the selling price.
Yeah.
And not cash, it's sold on credit now.
Oh, right.
So what will increase? The trade receivables will increase. Trade receivable will increase with the selling price. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. And the goods, that is your inventory,
Will decrease.
will decrease with the cost price.
Yeah.
So come on, tell me, when I am looking at the quick ratio, do I ever consider inventory?
No.
No. That means this part is not considered.
Not
So the
considered.
trade receivable will increase.
Yeah.
I'm saying that the numerator will increase. And when the
Yeah.
numerator increases, the ratio also increases.
So increases.
So which ratio will
Right.
result in increase of the current ratio? If the numerator is increasing, the ratio will also increase. So this will result
Increase.
in increase in the ratio.
Increase in the ratio. Right.
Purchase of goods, this is related to suppliers.
Yeah.
That means it is related to the current liabilities. This is related to the denominator. So
The denominator.
it will not result in what?
Increase in the ratio.
Okay. Okay. So you have to do this. Come on. So you do not look at this. And purchase of goods on cash. So here
The
you
trade receivables increase, but the cash decrease.
cash will decrease and
Yeah.
goods will increase.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Goods.
And goods are never taken into consideration when I am
Consideration.
doing this. So here
Yeah.
the numerator will reduce. If the
Right.
numerator is reducing, the quick ratio will reduce.
Yeah.
Okay. So which ratio results in increase in the ratio? So I have to look at a ratio that will increase my numerator.
Yeah. Increase in numerator.
That would increase my numerator. So with this, I am done with question 27,
Yeah.
2024, set 1 paper, which is related to ratios. Okay. So answer is option B. Okay.
Option B. Right.
Now this is another
Yeah.
MCQ that I'm doing with along with this. So this is the B part, that is an option with this MCQ.
Yeah.
Dash ratios are calculated that determine the ability to service its debt in the long run. What is the question telling?
To find what ratio is calculated to determine the ability of the business.
You just reading it. I'm asking you for the
Uh,
explanation.
I'm not sure. I didn't know this
You
one.
said you did it, right?
No, not this.
Okay. What ratio is calculated to determine ability of the business to pay its debts? That means ability of the business to repay.
Repay.
What tells us the ability of business to repay?
Uh,
To repay my debts. Ability of the business to repay my debts. Solvency ratio
no.
gives the ability of the business to repay the debts.
Repay its debt.
Okay.